Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's hood-mounted light pod bracket for Ford's 15 to 21 F-150 and Ford's 17 to 21 Raptor. Step 1. Under the cowl on both the driver and passenger side, there's a 10mm head bolt. Gently peel this back to gain access to it. Step 2. Once the bolt is removed, place the bracket on top and reuse the factory bolt to fix the bracket into place. Repeat on the other side. Step 3. Install the pod lights with their own included hardware onto our brackets. Wire the lights according to their manufacturer's instructions, and you're done.